Let's try some more Pythagorean theorem problems. What's the relationship between the variables? We're used to saying that the hypotenuse, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. But in this case, we're dealing with different variables, x, y, and z. The hypotenuse is always across the right angle, so here, z squared is equals to x squared plus y squared. Let's focus on example number 2. We're used to the 3, 4, 5 triangle. This is a good Pythagorean triple to memorize. But if you multiply this by 2, now you get 6, 4, and 10. Does this look familiar? If you multiply this one by 10, the 6 becomes a 60, the 10 becomes 100, and the 4 becomes a, you guessed it, 40. So if you know the base Pythagorean triples, you can be very fast. It's going to be 3, 4, 5. It's going to be 5, 12, 13. And there's more. It's going to be 7, 24, 25. So already I know the answer is going to be 25 here, but we'll work it out slowly just for practice. It's going to be 8, 15, 17. And 9, 40, 41. And there's more, but most likely the numbers will be reasonably small, at least when you're in school. So let's finish this last example off the slow way. We're going to say x squared, the hypotenuse squared, is equals to 7 squared plus 24 squared. Now unfortunately 24 is a big number. So 24 times 24, 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8, so we have a 9 here. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. So as you can see, 9 plus 8 is 17. It's going to be 576. So what we have is x squared equals 49 plus 576. Okay, so take your time, but if you work it out, adding, you're going to get the answer 625. You square root both sides, it's going to be 25. 25 times 25 is equal to 625. You might have to do a guess and check if you don't have a calculator.